This is Chlorimed Shampoo. This is our purifying / clarifying shampoo. It removes any buildup that's on the hair. You want to use this prior to any chemical service, your perms and your colors. You want to remove all buildup from the hair, and even with color, especially, you want to put your color on clean hair. So let's make sure that it's in there. It's good for swimmers. It removes the chlorine. If you have clients that have well water, iron buildups, this is really good. One of the things that I do, you can lather the hair twice, shampoo twice, and on the second one I put a plastic cap on their hair underneath the dryer for like 10 minutes to help remove any like built-in residue, medicines and so forth in the hair, and then rinse and shampoo again. And I find that that really cleanses the hair really well if they have lots of buildup on the hair. So Lynn, what do you like about the Chlorimed?
I agree with everything you said. It's awesome using it that way, and what's really nice too is this product can be used daily, and it's pH balanced, so it's not going to hurt the hair at all. I actually even have clients that use it when they have hair color and perms, and it doesn't relax perm and doesn't take out hair color, so I really like that. I also find that it's very gentle on all types of hair, even little kids, so I like to use it like Rhonda said also.
So John, what do you say?
I say this is one of my premier shampoos. This is probably a shampoo that I would use on almost everyone that comes in. If they're going to get a treatment shampoo, like one of the moisturizing shampoos or something, I would want to use this first, probably, depending on how clean or not clean their hair is. And every time before a chemical service, I would want to use this, and I recommend this for home use. For, like you said, sometimes medication buildup or chlorine just from the water we're using under the sink, iron and all kinds of junk in the water. This will take it off the hair. So this leaves the hair really clean, and it's perfect, ideal for before a chemical treatment, or like you said, if you just need to really strip the hair out and clean it up, and safe for every day.
Can I mention something else?
Yes.
I have a thyroid condition, and I use the shampoo once a week to remove any thyroid buildup, any medication that's built up on the hair also, so that works really well for me.
And don't forget, it's coming up summertime and swimming, so get this for all your swimmers. And that is our Chlorimed shampoo.